Abovetek tabletop / phone stand from Amazon. Link for it will be in the description below. It is around, I believe, $40. I'll correct that if I'm wrong, but got a camera up top for the unboxing. This is what it comes like. You have a camera holder that comes with it, so can also hold cameras. Has a plastic wheel that moves the screw, and then I assume this will connect to the actual display. You have, it's all going to come out at once here, so we shall set the box over here. Alrighty, so move that up. You have the Abovetek. They give you 2 Allen wrenches, different sizes, and the user manual. And your 2 standard Allen wrenches. Whoops. Boom, caught it. Move this over. Right here, I believe we have the Cradle. We do have the Cradle. That looks like it will get a 12.9 inch, but we can test that out here in just a second. And then that slides on out. This has some weight to it, I will tell you that. It is not, it's even kind of shaking the table. It's very rigid. I mean, it's pretty heavy. This is metal plate down here. This seems to be metal right here. It's got plastic inside, and here is the piece that does snap into the camera holder or into the phone or tablet holder. So we will get it in the grooves, screw that plastic nut on. Okay, and there you go. It does have a ball hinge, so you've got up and down movement. The bottom is your side movement, and you can adjust probably the weight at which it holds. I'm going to get my iPad with a case and see if it fits. This is the 2019 iPad Pro 12.9 inch. It does have a keyboard folio cutout. We will clear off notifications here. Alrighty, and we will see negative. Let me take it out of the case and see if we can get a fit. Nope. So the iPad is a no-go. I do not believe the 12.9 inch. So if you have that, it will not fit it. It does, however, probably will fit the 10 inch. I can get my other iPad, which is the 10 or maybe it's 9.7 inch display and see what it looks like. 9.7 inch iPad. No problems at all. So motion wise, I can bring it right in front of me. Now I did notice, okay, when using this, that the 9.7 inch, when it is brought down, starts to fall all the way, which does look like there is Allen wrench here, so I'm sure I can tighten that. I figure, maybe, we'll see. Okay, it doesn't look like I can, at least not with a hand. Am I able to? I can tighten, yeah, that's about it, but the base is coming up and then it's falling down. Would I recommend this for any iPad? No. May work for a phone, but what do you need this big of a base for if you're getting it for an iPad? I mean, you're going to have it up in your face to not fall over, and I don't even trust it then, because if I just bring it, yep, there we go, we start to tumble. So would not recommend for iPad users. I do not have an Android, so I cannot test anything like a Kindle or anything like that, but definitely not recommended for iPads. And I'm pretty sure they have a picture of an iPad. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I got it for my iPad and it is not going to work. So that's the Abovetek tablet and phone stand. Side note, for stability and to avoid tipping over, put the upper arm and lower arm in opposite folding directions. So what they are saying is, if this arm is like this, put this arm like this, and you will not get tip over. Okay, but if you put both arms like that and you put on a 9.7 inch iPad, it's going to tip over. So you're going to have to remember, if you buy this, one arm that way, one arm this way. That is for stability. This has been Jen's Aside, and was this worth it? No.